Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of denied account on the application of Threads weekly constituents. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about the application of Threads and you will click here in this page. Then we click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode. You can fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for watching.